This is an urgent public safety alert. There is an ongoing emergency that requires immediate attention. Due to an unprecedented event, the dead are rising from their graves and attacking living people. Everyone in the affected area must evacuate immediately. Head to your nearest safe evacuation site and stay there until further notice. Do not attempt to confront these unnatural creatures that have returned to life. Seek emergency assistance if necessary. This is an extremely dangerous situation and we urge everyone to take it seriously and leave the area as quickly and calmly as possible. Stay safe. Thank you.